Hi everyone, in this video we shall explore JavaScript Conditional, a way to run code only when certain conditions are true. Conditional are decision makers in your code. You use if, else if or else to tell your program. Only do this if something is true. They help control the flow of your app depending on different situations. Think of conditional like this. You carry an umbrella only if it's raining. Here's a simple example in JavaScript. If is raining is true, the program prints take an umbrella. Otherwise, it says no umbrella needed. This way, your code reacts to real conditions. Conditional are essential for interactivity and smart behavior in your app. They let your program decide what to do based on user input, time, data, or anything else. It's a core part of writing intelligent, useful code.